Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Welcome back, everybody. A little chilly today. Let's get that going. Alright, today we're going to be working on this again. Specifically the tool situation. What tools should you carry in a Model T? Well, hopefully we're going to figure that out. Alright, we got the tools. Now, every Model T is going to be different. Well, every modified Model T is going to be different, but at minimum, you're going to want some sort of a jack. If I could find my antique jack that goes with this, if I could find that, that would be here. I have not located it yet. You're going to need it's dusty in here. You're going to need some sort of a spark plug wrench. In my case, that's not going to work. I believe this is the spare belt for my particular engine setup. So we've got that spare belt. Now these are tools that I had in this car when I had it years ago. They were under the seat and they ended up someplace else. Then they ended up in storage, and it's a long story. So we have you have a lighted screwdriver when you put batteries in it. Nut driver, screwdriver. That Phillips, it's all been shook up, so there's a flathead, there's a Phillips head, there's another Phillips head, there's another flathead. I don't know why there's a random piece of plastic in there, but okay. It just snaps in here, and it serves a double function. It serves as a flashlight as well if I replace the batteries. My main tool set, and I've had this since I was a child. I got a file in there in case we need to file something down, points, whatever. This all just rolls right up. Spark plug wrench for my particular application. We got a couple adjustables that need to be cleaned up. Hammer. Regular screwdriver. Got another adjustable. This comes out, each end comes out. Could be a big Phillips, big flathead, whatever you need. Here we have, what we got here? Let's unwrap it. This has been under the seat for a very, very long time. The reason it's wrapped is because it rattled this socket set. Going down the road doing this wasn't fun, so I wrapped it up. And apparently I forgot what it was. Always helpful to have a rag. We have Frank's Timer's mystery package. Springs and clips. for an Anderson timer, I would assume. Not sure why that was under my seat. Okay. Pair of pliers. Another Phillips tip. There's a wrench for must be mains. Main bearings. We have a blowtorch that has been damaged and is missing a top. Not sure why that's in there. Now, this is something that you definitely want to have. Little vice grips. You can pinch off a fuel line if you need to. Grab something small. We have a exhaust pack nut replacement, which I don't particularly need in this car because I don't use one. We have another file that has been sharpened and the tang bent over. Okay. We've got a little piece of rod here for getting into tight places, I guess. Another little chisel. Yep. Pair of needle nose. Hook. I don't know. Spare radiator cap. That could be important. Believe this is a wrench for rod ends. Gotta get up in there and get them. Another wrench. Okay, I asked you this before. Nobody put in the comments. What is it? Because this is number 2. There's one in the car right now. What is it? Put it in the comments. I know you know. We have a spare spark plug. I think this is for my engine. This is a tool for compressing the valve spring, I believe. There would be another. I wonder, oh, that's what this must be. Okay. This is for compressing the valves. If I'm in frame or not, I can't see the camera. Let's do it this way. You hook onto the manifold, just stick this in there and you can compress the valves. If you need to pull the head and pull valve out. And last in the bundle, and again, the reason it's wrapped is going down the road, the handle for the jack. So that goes with that. So these are the tools that I kept in my car. A little tape, some little, oh, there's a screwdriver here. There's some little sockets as well, but I got these for my 16th birthday from my grandparents. My grandmother's writing on the top. Wow. I almost forgot. I carry them. I hope I never have to use them. Been carrying them since the mid 80s. Tire spoons, tire irons, whatever you want to call them. We've got a little piece of sandpaper or emery cloth, 4 points. We have a lug nut wrench. like I said, it's that tool again. There's two of them. I don't need two of them. Somehow I ended up with two of them. So one will go in the car and one will hang on the wall. Alright, let's put them away. Okay, alright. Get my butt in here. Let's lay these out. First of all, we've got the little screwdriver set from Craftsman. Kind of cool. I did put batteries in it. So now I have a flashlight if I need it. Always handy to have. A big wrench. Might need to put some sound insulation on that. Made sure the jack worked. It does. It's going to go right here in this corner because it's high enough that it shouldn't interfere with the seat, which is always an issue when piling stuff on. I have lubricated my wrench, and now I have a metal splinter in my hand. Those are always fun. Lovely. Wrench set can go in here, I guess. Never know when somebody else, oh, man, that hurts. Never know when somebody else might need assistance, so I carry tools that don't go for this car anymore. Actually, that's one that I want wrapped up for noise. That's going to be another one I want wrapped up. That will surely drive me nuts going down the road. Have you taken a stab at this yet? Come on, I want to see it in the comments. Need another rag. Alright, I got some rags. Start laying these in so that we don't have to listen to the noise. There. One other thing that I've decided to put in here is a little bit of paracord. Just in case I want to tie something down. There's no, maybe a door hinge breaks, or gotta tie a door shut, or something to the roof. I don't know, but it might be nice to have it in there. So there's my what's under the seat. Alright, well there you have it. That's what I carry in my T. If I had a different engine, if I had a stock engine, I'd carry different pieces than I do, but yeah, you work with what you got. The wrenches over here, the roller wrenches, you need that, or the socket set to get into the adjust the bands if you need to adjust the reverse band or whatever. Don't really need to adjust the brake band because I got the disc brakes on it. Screwdrivers are nice for loose connections. The fuel line clamps that I use, not found in a regular T. That wiring connection, might need a screwdriver. Flat tire, you're definitely going to need the jack and the lug wrench. Possibly the hammer, depending on how tight the lug nuts are. Yeah, the only other thing that I should have in here and I don't would be a wooden block. Something to put under the jack, or a couple of wooden blocks wouldn't be a bad idea. It's a couple 2x4s in case you need to change the tire and you're on a dirt road and it's muddy or whatever. But since I don't go that far from home anymore, I think I'll be alright without it. We'll see. So that is my video, that is my tutorial on Model T emergency toolkit, or hot rod emergency toolkit as it is in this case. Pretty simple. Yeah, might be able to help somebody else out with that. Spark plug, it's got points. I can use the cardboard from this to set the points if I need to, and the screwdrivers. Yeah, I think that's it. I think we've covered it all. And if we didn't, I'll just come back on and add to this before I upload it. Well, thanks for watching. Never even know it was there, would you?